slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Cactus plant flea market Air Force Ones. The lows, I don't think these even come in highs, but yeah, the lows. These are from YesKicks. If you're new to the channel, you like what you see, show some love, subscribe, turn on notifications, drop a like, anything helps. Follow me on Instagram as well, link is in the description. If you have any questions on this video or any other ones you've seen on the channel, DM me on there. DMs are always open, so feel free to reach out. These took about 2 weeks to get here, give or take. Double box, bubble wrapped, all that. I don't condone buying anything you guys see on the channel. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine. Like I always say, I'm just showing you guys what you would get for the money that you pay, and that's all these videos are for. So with all that out of the way, let's get right into it, man. Let's waste no time. These are actually personal pair. For once, I don't really buy too much stuff for myself anymore, but yeah. So anyways, website's right there, WeChat, email. If you use the code RV Stuff, save yourself $15 site-wide on your first purchase on the website. So keep that in mind. There's that, very nostalgic. You can see some stains on that sign, very old. Been messing with Rep or YesKicks for years now, years, when it used to be called RepKicks. So anyways, throw that to the side real quick. Put the shoes here, and here is the box. So Air Force One actually says there's an error right there. Air Fonts 1 low premium Cactus plant flea market, white, light bone. These are size 13, true to size, maybe a tad smaller than they say they are, because I'm used to rocking 12s from China, just because they don't like us big feet boys. But anyways, inside the box you get the Air Force One paper, nothing else. Box itself is pretty standard. I mean, you got some of this for the CPFM, but besides that, nothing crazy. Yeah, that's basically it. No Nike branding on the bottom. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be, but yeah. So throw that to the box, throw that box to the side where it belongs. Yeah, man, here is the shoe itself. So this is actually the right shoe. You got the air there. It is 3M, of course, so around the lettering at least, that's why it kind of shines like that. But anyways, taking a look at the shoe, you got a nice you actually have really nice leather on here. It's kind of has the elephant skin texture on it, if you guys can see that on camera, and that's all throughout the whole shoe. More predominantly on the lettering on the side, but yeah, I mean, beyond this here, it's really a standard Air Force One low, the one we're all used to loving and wearing every day, some until the soles are worn all the way down. So yeah, classic shoe. And the good thing about something like this is you're not breaking the bank, and you're also not paying 200 bucks for a pair of Air Force One lows, which after tax is roughly what they are in Canada for the white ones and blacks, really. So yeah, man, can't really go wrong with that. Anyways, here is the shoe. There we go, finally actually focused up properly. But you can see kind of the quality of leather you're looking at, very nice and buttery there. Inside, nothing on the right shoe. For whatever reason, got a little smudge here. Maybe bro, before he shipped them, threw them on his feet or something, I don't know. But yeah, man, that's it for that. A little speck here. Oh, it actually ended up smudging. It's an easy fix. I'll just wipe that with some water, it'll go away. But yeah, inside you got the R for the right. You got a little size tag there as well. I don't know if you guys can actually see that. Got all the sizing information. Besides that, pretty standard, kind of like this little heat print insole there. The actual anklet area or ankle area is all leathery, so I don't know why you guys can pick that up on camera, but it is leathery on the ankle there. So keep that in mind. Air Force One tag, yada yada. You guys know what's up with that. So that's the right shoe. Left shoe here, this one says sun on the outside, goes all around, says shine, so sunshine. You know, same thing with this, nothing crazy. Yeah, man, super solid shoe, can't really complain. No obvious errors besides that little smudging. This one says L on the inside, for the left foot, obviously. Again, leathery up here. And that's basically all she wrote, guys. You guys can see a stitch job there. Yeah, man. I remember I actually had a pair of these. They were like one size too small and I wore the fuck out of them. But for whatever reason, their outsole was really janky back then. There weren't really any good UA pairs of this shoe. I think that one actually said Flea on the side. It was one of those ones. I don't know like the different ones that CPFM has been doing. I don't know the differences between them, but yeah, like all in all, super clean shoe. Some different, but you know, something we're all used to seeing. Air Force One lows, all white, you know, kind of a classic shoe for a little twist. But yeah, man, that's basically it. I'm not gonna hold y'all anymore. Got these just looking nice there, you know. There it is. I'm actually gonna set them up different for the little picture there. There we go. Nice look at them. Let's set that up. But yeah, man, that's basically it. Not gonna hold y'all anymore on that. Clean little pair of kicks. If you like what you see in this video, make sure you subscribe, show some love, you know, support the channel in any way you can. Of course, if you have any questions, direct them to me at Instagram or on Instagram. Link is in the description, at OurReviewStuffTV, I think it is. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Have a blessed night, morning, day, whatever time you're watching this. Keep enjoying life. You know, that's basically all you can do, guys. So I'll catch y'all in the next video though. Stay tuned. Peace.